down into the groove if you would. I'd like to see you move your booty like you should. Come down into the groove if you would. Shaking your body like you should. Dancing, dancing feet. This is people to meet. Oh, let your body flow. You can let so much go. Moving your dancing feet. Moving your dancing feet. Oh, na na. Oh, how long shall they call these the last days? Fulfilling the very prophecies that they preach. Those were good grandmothers that they burnt had to stay, calling them midwifery, witchery. Come on. Oh, no longer will we drink that water drawn from wells of sorrow. Nor will we eat the bread of angry today and sad tomorrow. We won't curse darkness anymore. Oh my God, did I ever do that? Oh, I said this little light of mine, tell them what I let it shine. This little light of mine, tell them what I let it shine. Come on, whatever. This little light of mine, tell them what I let it shine. This little light of mine, tell them what I let it shine. One more time. Come on now. This little light of mine, tell them what I let it shine. This little light of mine, tell them what I let it shine. Sing it now one more time. Keep it moving, keep it jiving, keep it grooving, keep it jiving, keep it grooving, keep it jiving, keep it grooving, keep it moving, keep it jiving, keep it moving, keep it moving. Come on, people, you got another chance to dance. This is it, my friends. Make it last. Come on. If I could get another solo, I would love it. Can I get another solo? I really need it. Can I get another solo? I really want it. You may be tired, my friend. Can you give us one? If you scream for him, he might play for you. Cha Ra Cha on the trumpet and the keyboard. last days, fulfilling the very prophecies that they preach. Those were good grandmothers that they burnt at the stake, calling them midwifery, witchery. But no longer shall I drink of water drawn from wells of sorrow, nor will I eat the bread of angry today and sad tomorrow, 'cause they're sailing on their ships across a sea of tears, wanting to conquer our last frontier mentality. But we won't curse darkness anymore. Oh my God, but did we ever do that before? I'm saying this is the light of mine, said I'm gonna let it shine. This is the light of mine, said I'm gonna let it shine. Come on, everybody, this is the light of mine, said I'm gonna let it shine. This is the light of mine, said I'm gonna let it shine. One more time.